Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest silk saree attached blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, a saree attached blouse is a modern design where the blouse is directly stitched or attached to the saree itself rather than being a separate piece that it wears separately. The design creates a seamless, attractive look between the saree and the blouse, eliminating the need for the blouse to be tried or wear separately. This saree attached blouse make it more convenient and eliminate the need for an extra piece of cloth. The saree match fabric of the attached blouse is typically the same as the saree, obtained made from silk, chiffon, chargan, or all other fabric that complement the saree. These ensure a uniform and stylish appearance. Friends, this kind of silk saree attached blouse design is a modern variation where the blouse and the sarees are intricately connected or stitched together rather than being separate pieces. This design makes a seamless, elegant, and attractive look, creating it particularly popular for engagement, wedding, get-together, and all other special events where one wants to stand out with a unique and royal appearance. Friends, the blouse is often made from same silk fabric as a saree, ensure that the two pieces look like single entity. These make a fluent and uniform appearance, which add the luxury vibe of the overall Indian outfit. Sometimes the blouse many feature a slightly different texture or wave of silk depend on the sarees, but it generally coordinate well with the saree. Friends, this kind of saree attached blouse design neckline would be designed in different style like deep back neck, high neck, boat neck, keyhole neck, etc. And sleeve should be short or full off shoulder depending on the look where you aim for it. The blouse often has embroidery, saree work, stone, or beads work complementing the saree overall design. These would be either on a front or back of the blouse or sleeve, adding to the detailing entire outfit. Friends, the design work best with luxury rich fabric like Kanjipuram silk, Banarasi silk, and etc. These fabric have a texture and quality needed to make like design work seamlessly. Friends, the saree attached blouse design is sophisticated way of wearing the saree, where the blouse is seamless incorporated into the outfit. It enhances the elegance and reduces the need for extra style steps, giving the woman a chic and polished look. Friends, this kind of saree attached blouse design is a modern, practical, and stylish way to wear a saree, where the blouse is stitched directly into the saree for a unified and elegant look. It saves time and effort, ensure that the outfits say interact throughout the event. Hence, this kind of tiffin is particularly popular for bridal or festival occasion. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.